Is your Samsung TV suddenly looking like a psychedelic nightmare instead of a crystal clear window to your favorite shows? First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: your cables. Turn off your TV and carefully unplug all cables connected to the back, especially the HDMI cable. Give them a good minute, then firmly plug them back in, ensuring they're seated correctly in both the TV and the source device, like your cable box or gaming console. If the colors are still off, it's time to dive into your TV settings. Press the home button on your Samsung remote, navigate to settings, then picture. We need to reset these settings to their defaults. Look for an option like reset picture or expert settings and then reset picture. While you're in picture settings, let's manually check a few things that might have been accidentally changed. Go into expert settings or advanced settings and find color tone or color temperature. Try setting it to standard or warm to see if that corrects the issue. Also, check saturation and tint. A slight adjustment here can sometimes make a big difference. Now, let's isolate the problem. If you have multiple input devices, try connecting a different one. For example, if your cable TV looks bad, try plugging in a Blu-ray player or a streaming stick. If the colors look normal on another device, the issue is likely with the original source or its cable, not your TV. If you've tried all of these software-based solutions and the color distortion persists across all inputs, it's possible there's a hardware problem. Sometimes, a gentle tap on the back or sides of the TV can temporarily resolve minor internal connection issues, but this is a last resort and can be risky. If the problem continues after these steps, it might be time to contact Samsung support or a professional TV repair service, as it could indicate the more serious internal component failure, like a faulty panel or processing board. But with these troubleshooting steps, you've significantly narrowed down the possibilities to get your Samsung TV back to showing vibrant, accurate colors.